Morning, it's a beautiful day here on the Southern Downs. Just out in the garden. I'm going to the other part of the land. I'm going to be helping pick some potatoes. Part of the block has been leased out to a local farmer, plant potatoes, and at the moment we're doing the harvest. That's the morning of potato harvesting complete. Just removed some of these irrigation pipes that were set up. Done about 2/3 of the paddock now. Right at the edge towards the road is where the rest of the potatoes are. So doing a few bins day by day, slowly getting it done. Got 2 big tubs of potatoes. We're already deciding to stop. It's not even 9 AM yet. It's going to be an absolute scorching day. It's going to get too hot now, middle of the day, so smart idea to stop. Now just cooling off in this creek. This is honestly the best part of living here at this block. Access to the creek. The property line runs right through the middle, and there's a nice natural stairway that goes down to the creek right behind this tree. So I am going to just stay in here, cool off. On these boiling hot summer days, this is the best way to cool off, especially when you don't have AC. It's been a year since I moved here to the block, completely off grid, quite an experience, especially compared to where I came from in the city growing up. And it's now been almost 3 years since I first moved out from the countryside. For all the new subscribers, a bit about my background. I was born and raised on the Gold Coast. That's where I grew up for the first 21 years of my life. Since almost 3 years, I've lived out here in the Southern Downs region. Not at this block always, there was a few rental places I was at, farm stay, and since about a year now living here at the block. I've learned many things since moving out here. When I first coming out here, I didn't have a job or anything, so I just did a few odd farm jobs, helping out farmer. Harvesting potatoes, actually. The guy who's now leasing part of the block here, helped him out harvesting potatoes on one of his blocks. Potatoes, and then another area doing pumpkins. A dairy, If you go back on the channel to the earliest videos, like I'm showing myself herding. Yeah, that was a dairy, local dairy around here. So yeah, it's been a big eye-opener for me moving out here. And yeah, really moving to the countryside was honestly a rite of passage in a sense. Because before moving out here, it's like I didn't really know what I wanted out of life. Like of course it was during COVID, so it was very chaotic, turbulent time. No one knew what was going on, what was going to happen. So yeah, I just needed a change. I needed something new, and yeah, in a sense, this has now become a part of my story. Yeah, that's it. And I'm starting to shiver a little bit. This water is pure spring water from up in the mountain, the Great Dividing Range. Stays cool even in summer. Over the last year, I've gone here almost every day, even in winter. Believe me, it's absolutely freezing in winter. Going in, I'm starting to shake. Why did I choose to do this? See, it's slightly misty down here. Brain freeze. Get out. I can't feel anything. Yeah, haven't been out hiking or doing much of anything. So yeah, hence why there hasn't been that many videos. But stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't already, give the video a like, and I'll see you all in the next one.